promises to be good. So stay tuned and watch me make this delicious and finger-licking soup. Utilizing hard chicken in this recipe, go ahead, wash and clean your chicken and put it in your pot as I'm doing. These are the spices I'm going to be using in steaming my meat. Ginger, garlic, onion, anise, clove, Harbenaro pepper, seasoning cubes. Blend this all together and add to your chicken as shown in the video. Stir everything together beautifully. Cover your pot and allow this to simmer in its own juices in the beginning. In your shot is my favorite part of this whole thing, the feet. Cover and allow the chicken to steam in its own juices. This allows for better flavoring of every part of the chicken before adding additional water. Now go ahead and rinse out your blender, add the water to allow the meat to soften a little more. Halfway through the steaming process, we are now going to add our vegetables. So as the chicken softens, we give the chance to our vegetables to equally soften. Using 1 whole onion, tomatoes, carrots, bell pepper, 1 divided into 2. All this is going to help in adding flavor to the soup and then help thicken our soup. Vegetables are softened. It's time to have them blended. We're going to remove all of them and blend. Careful to get out all the vegetables for blending. After blending, I usually like to sieve my blended vegetables. I'll show you why. Rinse out the sieve with water to get out all the needed portions of our blended vegetable. This is why I sieve. This is dried Kale, a beautiful seasoning from Ghana. It adds a unique taste. There is more blending to be done in my little blender. We are certainly blending in batches. This is actually a much smoother paste since it doesn't have some of the dried ingredients. So it gives me a much smoother paste. All the same, I pass it through the sieve. Add enough water that your pot can accommodate, making sure your meat is completely covered, because this is going to boil down, so you want enough soup when you are done. So add enough water that your pot can take, and then we are going to cook this down. This is looking good already. Delicious. Go ahead and add seasoning cubes. Allow the soup to boil. Cover it halfway so that your soup does not spill over. A little bit of tomato paste to enrich the color and give it an additional flavor. It's a very slow cooking we are doing. This helps develop deep flavors. I tell you, this soup is everything to die for. Next to your soup, add in some fresh okra or frozen okra, whichever is available to you. Add your Harbenaro peppers if you like additional heat. We are almost there with our preparation, and it really looks good. Look at that. I tell you, you will love it. Go ahead and give it a try wherever you are. Or whenever you make it to Ghana, ask for this. Certainly, this is my favorite part of the whole chicken. I love it. This is a big pot that I made, so I'm going to separate them into into bowls for storage. I divide the soup, making sure the meat and every other thing in there is equally divided into the two bowls. Usually I'll put one, we'll take one that day and keep the other one in the fridge or the freezer, depending on the menu plan for the week. I like my soup silky smooth, so I still go ahead and sieve the soup even when it's done. I like it very, very smooth. This is exactly why I sieve my soup. Now it is ready to be served. Thanks for watching, and if you are watching me up to this point, please go ahead and like the video and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. Akbe.